Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Nur Hazim Madya. My number card of my trip is 2022-912-845. So first, today I want to share about the definition of business takaful itself. So takaful business means business of takaful who aims and operations do not involve any element which is not approved by Sharia and compliant. So takaful business means that the business relating to any administration, management and operation of a takaful fund for its takaful participants, which element like investment, saving and or claims. So let's look at the next slide. For the next slide, I want to talk about the type of product takaful provided by Zurich Takaful. So first we have for my assets. So actually this type will protect the business of your asset actually. So under for my asset we have they have engineering takaful product, marine takaful product, property takaful product, miscellaneous takaful product. So next is for my liabilities. So yeah, as you know, to protect your business against legal liabilities. As a business owner, it's difficult to be certain that your business will not cause harm to third parties. So the third type is for my SME business. So to protect and to give the best solution, the best way to grow the business, to expand the business, with to manage the risk across the industries. So the product is we have Zurich SME business takaful, Optimus V2 takaful and Optimus. So as you know, Optimus is as a one-stop solution. So for the further explanation, we will hear from the other panel. Okay. Next, under the umbrella of businesses takaful, there are several types of takaful products and services that cater to the needs of businesses and organizations. Some of the common types of business takaful include property takaful, which is this type of takaful provides coverage for commercial properties such as buildings, offices, factories, and warehouse against various risks like fire, natural disasters, theft, and other perils. Second is liability takaful. Liability takaful offers coverage for businesses against legal liabilities arising from the third-party claims. It includes public liability, product liability, professional indemnity, and other forms of liability insurance. Third is motor takaful. Motor takaful provides coverage for business-owned vehicle against accidents, theft and damage. It includes comprehensive and third-party coverage for commercial cars, trucks and other vehicles. And next is marine takaful. Marine takaful offers coverage for businesses involved in marine-related activities such as shipping, cargo transportation, maritime operation. It provides protection against risks like cargo damage or loss or theft during the transit. The next is engineering takaful. This type of takaful caters to businesses engaged in construction, engineering and infrastructure projects. It covers risks associated with construction projects, include contractor all risk CAR, takaful, machine breakdown and installation of the takaful. And the last is about the employee benefit takaful. So actually employee benefit takaful includes various types of takaful coverage provided by employers to their employees. It may include group life takaful, disability takaful, critical illness takaful and other benefits designed to provide financial security to employees and their families. So these are some of the common types of takaful product available under the category of business takaful. However, it's worth noting that specific offering and product names may vary variation vary depending on the takaful provider and the country or region where takaful is being offered. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Next, I will talk about the benefits on taking this business takaful in terms of asset. Firstly, it provides coverage to the contract workers from unexpected incidents while they were at the site. For example, explosion, fire, flood, and others. This incident will affect the workers itself and the business, in which costs a lot of money to restore it. Secondly, it provides coverage on the goods while shipping it from one place to another. Thirdly, it also provides coverage to their property that the business have, like financial loss. And lastly, it provides coverage to the business caused by the act of dishonesty or fraud from any employee. Next, the benefits of business takaful in terms of SME. Basically, they provide coverage for the stable business, but they're still afraid that they might getting any perils like fraud. So this is important for them in order to help them have confidence of saving the businesses. Last but not least, the benefits of business takaful in terms of liability. Basically, they provide coverage of body injury, accidental damage of property, and any legal expenses incurred due to the third party of the business. So, the coverage of body injury and accidental damage to the property can be either the participants of the business itself or to any person. But this takaful must renew annually.
Now, let's move on how to make a claim in the event of an accident. First, business takaful for asset. I took one example, which is property. So, what happens if my property has impact damage? First of all, you need to tell them about your claim, and then they will ask you some questions, and please provide a crime reference number if you have one. Also, you can take photos of the damage as it helps later on. Next, depending on what happened, they will help you decide on the best way to get your property back to normal. Next, they may arrange some extra support for you to help progress your claim and fix the damage. Next, their specialists will let you know what repairs are needed. In the next stage, you have two choices. First, if you have a loss adjuster, they will help you arrange the repairs. Second, you can choose to get the repairs done by Zurich approved repairers. And then you pay excess needed and they will approve and pay for the repairs. Lastly, your claim is complete. But as for minor damage, you can choose to manage the repairs yourself and they will deduct your excess from your final settlement, and then your claim is complete. Next, business takaful for public liability. If you want to make a claim, you need to contact them as soon as possible. And then, a claim expert will be in touch within 3 days to let you know if the claim is covered. Next, they will need you to give them as much documentary evidence as you can. Then, they will decide whether to accept or decline the claim made against you. Next, in Route A, if they decline the claim, the decision may not be accepted and the other side could ask for more information. They will provide the information, but if there's a disagreement, the claimant can then file an application with the court and claim for associated costs. Next, if they are successful, the claim will be resisted, and if not, they will use Route B. In Route B, they accept the claim or it is decided there is full or partial fault. For injury claim, they will need supporting medical evidence before they pay damages. If they can't agree a level of compensation, the court may have to decide. And lastly, they will provide you with an overview before close the claim. Next, we have SME Business Takaful, which it is a needs-based customized solution for your business protection. Under SME Business Takaful, we have Optimus V2 Takaful. So, as for the claim procedure, on the happening of any loss or damage, the insured shall forthwith give notice thereof to the company and shall within 15 days after the loss or damage or such further time as the company may in writing allow in that behalf, they should deliver to the company first a claim in writing for the loss and damage containing as particular an account as may be reasonably practicable of all the several articles or items of property damaged or destroyed and of the amount of the loss or damage thereto respectively, having regard to their value at the time of the loss or damage, not including profit of any kind. Second, particulars of all other insurance, if any. The insured shall also at all times at his own expense produce, procure, and give to the company all such further particulars, plans, specifications, books, vouchers, invoices, duplicates or copies thereof, documents, proof, and information with respect to the claim and the origin and cause of the fire and the circumstances under which the loss or damage occurred, and any matter touching the liability or the amount of the liability of the company as may be reasonably required by or on behalf of the company together with a declaration on oath or in other legal form of the truth of the claim and of any matters connected. No claim under this policy shall be payable unless the terms of this condition have been complied with. Lastly, we also have Optimus Takaful under SME Business Takaful. As for the claim procedure, on the happening of any damage in consequence of which a claim is or may be made under this policy, the insured shall forthwith give notice thereof to the company and shall with due diligence do and concur in doing and permit to be done all things which may be reasonably practicable to minimize or check any interruption of or interference with the business or to avoid or diminish the loss, and in the event of a claim being made under this policy shall not later than 30 days after the expiry of the indemnity period or within such further time as the company may in writing allow at his own expense deliver to the company in writing a statement setting forth particulars of his claim together with details of all other insurances, if any, covering the damage or any part of it or consequential loss or any kind resulting therefrom. The insured shall at his own expense produce, procure, and give to the company such books of account and other business books, vouchers, invoices, balance sheet, and other documents, proof, information, explanation, and other evidence as may reasonably be required by or on behalf of the company for the purpose of investigating or verifying the claim together with a declaration on oath or in other legal form of the truth of the claim and any matters connected therewith. No claim under this policy shall be payable unless the terms of this condition have been complied with and the event of non-compliance therewith in any respect, any payment on account of the claim already made shall be repaid to the company forthwith.
Hi, my name is Siti Umairah binti Nordin. So let's proceed to my part, which is why you should have business product from Zurich Takaful. So Zurich is a global insurance, so that it offers a wide of Takaful product as service to Muslim individual or business. So why you need have Takaful from Zurich? Firstly, Zurich is Sharia compliance. It means that the product is free from riba, gharar, and also maisir. It's because for Muslim business, they need to ensure suitable with the Muslim principle, so that you as a Muslim business can have this policy for your business. Second is comprehensive coverage. It have provide special industry like marine industry and also engineering industry. Right. The type of industry under asset product, for example, is to provide policy for marine and engineering. In addition, for asset, also provide takaful for property and miscellaneous, so that this policy will help you to protect your business from anything bad happen to your business. Thirdly, Zurich is financial security and protection. So Zurich will help you to protect equipment. For example, other miscellaneous is have cover for equipment and also machinery. So that this policy have divided by two types, which is mobile equipment and immobile equipment. Basically, this type of equipment will cover for fire, lightning, and thief, but have additional for mobile equipment. And lastly, for benefit is Zurich is professional expert. Zurich is expert the knowledge of takaful requirement. They will provide advice and guide for right takaful product for your business based on your budget, so that you can choose which one is the best for your business. So you can contact their branch to help and assist you to get a suitable policy for your business. Next, I will show you the example policy that's important for other business. So the example policy is public liability takaful. This takaful will protect your business against legal liabilities. As a business owner, it's difficult to be certain that your business will not cause harm to the third parties. This takaful is important for businesses that involve between members of the public and your employees, such as retail business, food and beverage businesses, and healthcare. Certificate will cover for three types. Firstly is cover to accident bodily injured to any person not being a member of the participant household or any person in the contract employment. Second is it will cover for accident damage to property not belonging to the control of participant. And the last is cover for any legal expenses incurred by the participant in defending legal proceeding with the takaful. Next, second example for policy in Zurich is SME business takaful. SME business takaful is product special for takaful rather than other policy. In this policy, will take care for your business and you just need focus on growing your business, and Zurich will protect your business. So why you need to have SME business takaful? SME business takaful have many products like customer solution, which is this policy have three types that you can choose suitable for your business segmentation. Like for this slide, the type is zone business, Z flexible business, and Z max business. You can choose where is the suitable for your business. Next is you can get discount rate until 30%, especially for your fire takaful. Other than that, complementary benefit. You can enjoy this benefit for all segments like anti-preventive system replacement, cleaning costs and personal effect. So there are many advantage or benefit for Zurich product. So you need to choose Zurich product as your business takaful. So that's all for me about the benefit of business takaful from the Zurich. You need to choose Zurich as your business takaful, and Zurich is the best takaful for you. Thank you.